Hello everyone. LiveQuiz Plus is a project that we have designed. So today I'm here to present LiveQuiz Plus, a real-time interactive quiz platform that is designed to make quizzes faster, more engaging, and more efficient. The main idea behind LiveQuiz Plus is very straightforward. Students should receive questions instantly the moment the teacher sends them, and the teacher should be able to see the responses immediately. And all these should happen without refreshing the page. Everything updates in real time with no manual refresh, no delays, and no interruptions. This slide shows the architecture and technologies behind LiveQuiz Plus. We used a client server model which allows smooth communication between the teacher and the students. So to achieve the real-time updates, we have used WebSockets so that when the teacher sends a question, it instantly appears on every student's screen. The backend handles all quiz logic, scoring, and session management, whereas the front end updates everything live. We have also used monitoring tools to ensure that the system stays stable during the live quizzes. And all these technologies together make LiveQuiz Plus fast and also truly interactive real-time quiz platform. Now, coming to the most exciting part of the project, the core modules that bring LiveQuiz Plus to life. We built the system in a modular way so that every part has a clear purpose and works together smoothly. First of all, we have the user authentication module. This ensures that only verified users can log in. It uses JWT, which is secure, fast, and commonly used in modern applications. We all know that. And next, we have created the quiz management module. Teachers can easily create quizzes, add questions, edit them, and manage everything without any technical knowledge. Then comes the main part of the project, the real-time quiz engine. This module uses WebSockets so that the moment a teacher sends a question, it appears instantly on every student's screen. No delay, no refresh, and it is completely real time. We also built a dynamic leaderboard, and to make the system fast and stable, we added background task processing. Heavy tasks like result calculation or large data processing happen in the background using Redis and Celery, so the quiz experience never slows down. And finally, we have logging and monitoring. Every important action is recorded and we track system performance in real time. Coming to the conclusion, LiveQuiz Plus successfully delivers real-time quizzes without any delay, and the students get questions instantly and the teachers can track responses as they happen. And the leaderboard also updates in real time. This project shows how technology can improve learning, making it more interactive and engaging. For the future, we plan to add a mobile app for easier access, full cloud deployment, and AI-based question generation, and also advanced anti-cheat features. And all these additions will make LiveQuiz Plus even more powerful and ready for modern education. That's all, and thank you for listening.